Welcome sa Pinoy SEO Online SEO Bootcamp.
My name is Canary. I'm from Tondo, Manila.
Celia Guerrero. Been working VA, mga ilang years na rin. Taga Quezon City.
Good evening po. Yeah, good evening everyone. I'm Cindy Marie Cheng. I'm from Bacolod City.
Yeah, I'm currently working as a customer service representative for Canadian clients.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Joshua Clemente. I'm a graduate of PSIT in University of Cebu, and I work as SEO specialist for almost 3 years.
Hi everyone. Good evening, coach. So my name is Javelin. So currently located in Pampanga, but also Bisaya.
Hi po, good evening sa lahat. My name is Joanna, tiga Cavite.
Good evening, everyone.
Evening.
I'm Giancarlo Ayuban from Alicia, Bohol.
Good evening, Coach. Jonathan Apina from Palawan.
Good evening, classmates and coach. So I'm Joseph Pagtananon. I'm currently located here sa Alfonso, Cavite. Yan. So katabi ng Tagaytay po.
Hello. Good evening, coach. Good evening, classmates. So yes, I'm Kate Angela Rivera from Davao.
Hello. Good evening, classmates.
Good evening.
Currently living ako dito sa Cavite, and my work is operations manager.
I'm Leonard Coronado. I'm from San Pablo City, Laguna.
Hi, good evening. I'm Lumi. I'm from Manila. Tapos I'm a mother of 3.
So I'm Marceline Chongson. I'm from Bicol, and I am a newly hired General VA last June 3.
So I am Mariel. I'm from Davao City.
So my name is Mary Ann Abrigana, and I'm from Lahog, Cebu.
I'm Mochoy. I am from Batangas.
I am Norjana Timatuntay. I am working as an OFW. Currently, nakabakasyon po.
Good evening, coach. Good evening, classmates. I'm from Lapu-Lapu, Cebu City.
Yes, hello, good evening. My name is Rafael Hakalan. You can call me Rafi. I'm located at Las Piñas.
My name is Rhea Bigkas. I'm currently residing here in Taguig City, but originally I came from Panay, Capiz.